1-year postgraduate certificate. Ayan, so, madami tayong programs na pwede offer ni Niagara College, 130 plus. But again, with the changes in Canada, meron na lang tayong PGWP eligible programs na in-offer, but madami pa rin po. So we have under healthcare, engineering, agriculture, technology, pwede din mga education, psychology. So we can talk about it later on. Meron tayong booth sa likod, so pwede kayo lumapit sa table ko so we can talk more about it. Ayan, so once you get to our campus, if you decide to study in Niagara College, pagdating nyo doon, you don't have to worry about anything na concerns you as an international student kasi meron department para sa inyo. That's what we call the ISA or International Student Advisor. So anything about health, supportive advisement, immigration, your career, interview skills, job support, job search, meron tutulong sa inyo sa loob ng campus namin. Even housing accommodations, pwede na namin kayo tulungan. Okay, so, ang maganda for Filipinos, yung admissions natin is very straightforward, no? For high school graduates, ang kailangan lang i-submit is your high school transcript and diploma. For college, of course, your orals and diploma, and then, with yung English exams natin, your IELTS. Ang kailangan nyo lang i-submit is your MOI or Certificate of English, which is hihingin nyo lang sa school kung saan kayo natin. So, very easy. This is for Filipinos only. And then estimated tuition fees, it's 70 to 90,000 Canadian dollars for 1 academic year. Ang 1 academic year natin is 8 months or 2 terms. Okay, ang maganda din dito, kasama na yung service fee and pinaka-importante din, medical insurance and unlimited bus pass within the Niagara region.